Hi, Gavin. What are you doing?
I want her to be one less woman affected by cervical cancer.
I chose to get my daughter vaccinated when her doctor told me that, like other vaccines, it's about prevention.
Gardasil is the only cervical cancer vaccine that helps protect against 4 types of HPV. 2 types that cause 70% of cervical
You're so wiggly.
4 types that cause other HPV.
There we go.
I chose to get vaccinated after my doctor told me Gardasil does more than help prevent cervical cancer. It helps prevent other HPV diseases.
Gardasil does not treat cervical cancer or other HPV diseases. Side effects include pain, swelling, itching, bruising, and redness.
Gavin.
Headache, fever, nausea, dizziness, vomiting, and fainting. Gardasil is not for women who are pregnant.
Gardasil may
So
not
strong.
prevent everyone and does not prevent all kinds of cervical cancer. So it's important to continue routine cervical cancer screenings. OND-LP.
One way.
Gardasil. Gardasil. Gardasil.
You have the power to choose. Ask your daughter's doctor about Gardasil.
Sometimes you're in a conversation and you have to say, excuse me,
I'm up here.
it's hard to find a bra.
They're a little large, but that's okay. I have a great bra.
You know, like that secure thing? Still not happening.
Oh, hi.
You know what I mean? You want to do the,
The Side Smoothing Collection
Give Mommy a smile.
Full Support has never looked so good.
Oh, lines. They're lovely.
Admit it, I look good. Playtex, who knows you like we do?
When the girls are happy, I'm happy.
Oh. Are you gonna talk to me?
NBC5 keeps you in the
Huh?
with the information you need on air, online, on the go. NBC5 News. Anytime, everywhere.
Everyone's talking about the great deals every day at DSW. We're all part of the sisterhood of shoe lovers, so we just have to share. Thousands of shoes, hundreds of brands, the latest styles, and an everyday clearance selection. You have to see it to believe it. There are deals way better than department stores. DSW, thousands of shoes, prices you love, every day. Hundreds of shoes have just been added to clearance.
New on NBC5 First at 4, North Texas temperatures about to hit the 20s. We've got the freeze alert. And at 5, a major crackdown on mortgage fraud to help homeowners in need. It's next.
Closed captioning and other considerations for the Ellen DeGeneres Show provided by...
Armstrong Genuine Hardwood Floors. Tested to its
Oh.